Hello, and welcome to the 1895 ALM Reel Mower Assembly video. First thing to do is go ahead and remove all the contents from the box. The hardware kit includes the following items: 1 hex head bolt with 1 square nut, 3 cup head bolts, cap nuts, and washers, 1 metal connector, 1 saddle washer, 1 bolt sleeve, and the package may include 2 E-rings, which are optional for assembly. With the wood shaft that has the A burned on the front, place the metal connector over the top. Now let's get the top handle ready. Take the square nut off of the bolt and place the saddle washer on. Place the bolt with the saddle washer through the top of the handle. Slide the square nut into the slot of the wood shaft so that the bolt can thread through it. Now let's get the bottom of the handle ready for assembly. Lay the bottom handle pieces side by side so that the designs are faced on the outside. Grab one of the cup head bolts and the bolt sleeve. Place the bolt sleeve in between the very last hole located at the bottom of the handle pieces. Insert the bolt through the handle pieces and the metal sleeve. Put the washer on and then put the cap nut on the bolt. Now line up the holes on the wood shaft to the holes in the middle of the bottom handle pieces. Insert the remaining 2 cup head bolts through the holes on the bottom handle pieces in the wood shaft. Place the 2 washers on each bolt and put the 2 remaining cap nuts on. Insert the short post closest to the wheels into the bottom handle pieces. This may take some finessing, but once you get it on, the handles will now be connected to the reel mower. If you want, it's not necessary. Once you have the handle attached, you can snap the E-rings into the slotted posts. Now, tighten the 4 bolts used to assemble the reel mower. The last thing needed is to remove the protective cover from the hubcaps. We have now completely assembled your brand new 1895 ALM Reel Mower. For any other questions, please visit AmericanLawnmower.com.